In the middle of the South African savannah lives a confident rhino named Jabari. Jabari loves to sing and believes he has the best voice in the land. But unfortunately, that is not true. Jabari wants to enter the annual talent contest, so he asks his closest friends if they like his voice. His friends do not want to hurt his feelings, so they all tell a little white lie. Absolutely, they all say. Layla is the only one who tells Jabari the truth. "Your singing is not very good," says Layla. "How honest." "You are mean," says Jabari. He gets very angry and walks away. Jabari decides to ignore Layla. The next day, he stands in line for hours with all the other animals that want to enter the talent contest. On the day of the contest, Jabari walks onto the stage and begins to sing. Everyone gets annoyed at his bad singing. They begin to shout boo. Some animals even throw fruits at poor Jabari. How sad. Jabari feels so embarrassed. He runs away as fast as he can. From afar, Layla sees what happens and follows him. "You are right, Layla," says Jabari. "My singing is horrible." "It's okay to be horrible at something," says Layla. "Not everyone is good at everything. Look at me, I'm horrible at dancing." "Yes, that's true. Your dancing is horrible," Jabari laughs. That day, Jabari learns that he can trust Layla to always tell the truth. He also learns that not everyone is good at everything. So he decides to focus on one of his talents, his strength. And the following year, he wins the prize for the strongest little rhino in the land. Jabari still practices his singing in the shower, though, and with time, he gets a little better. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com